So Sanjeev, so we've basically discovered now that a lot of our purpose, a lot of our meaning to life is discovering who we really are as part of everything that is, everything that always was, and everything that always will be. And all these things, they work based upon several universal laws. And in your mindfulness teachings, um, you help people attract those things in their lives that they so truly desire. I think desire is somewhere in the root Latin word means of the Father, of that what is. So, how does your mindfulness teachings help people to attract those things into their lives that they really want?
You know, universe is full of limitless, boundless, and endless opportunities. Everything is possible in the universe, but we are holding back because we live with the limiting belief system. We live with our ego. We think we know everything, but it is not about it. As we talked before, we have to explore, discover, understand the secret and the mystery of life. So when we connect with the life force energy in terms of connecting with the higher source of energy, when you try to open yourself, what will happen? The whole existence try to bring everything into your life. Why? Because as soon as you raise your frequency, energy, vibration into the universe, what happens? The universe try to conspire the way you think, the way you live, the way you act. So as I said, everything is available into the universe. If people want to become a millionaire, billionaire, yes, they would like to become. But not only thinking about what you would like to become, you have to work with persistence, perseverance, patience. Because each thought has energy and frequencies which goes to the universe and brings similar thing into our life. So the more we connect with the life force energy by emitting a powerful thought energy frequency into the universe always try to connect with the similar situations, similar people, similar circumstances into our life, and whatever you put out, you will get back into your life.